Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Barracan Business Outsourcing. My name is Deepesh Sharma. I am a founder and CEO at Barracan. And today in this video I am talking about how to outsource bookkeeping. So let's start. So basically outsourcing is the first step when you register your business, and then you need to keep record all the transaction for preparing financial statement like profit and loss account, and definitely it will help in the tax return, tax file when you filing a tax return. Okay, so basically here I'm talking about two things. First one is for CPA and the second one is for business owner. So let's talk about as a CPA. So if you are a CPA, then definitely you have a lot of clients and you are receiving number of files. I'm talking about the transactions. So your clients will provide you the transaction. Why? Because you need to prepare the financial statement, or maybe you are filing tax return, so it will help in the tax return. So in that case you are receiving number of the transaction tracker. That means your clients are keeping records in a rough manner in the sheet. They are not preparing in a systematic manner because they don't know the rules of the accounting. So they are providing the transaction, like I'm talking about the expenses like sales, cash purchase, like online purchase. So they are not mentioned in the sheet in a systematic manner. I'm talking about all the expenses and all the incomes. Okay, then you need to work on it. Then you need to spend too much time on all the transaction, all the rough transaction for uh, for making a perfect accounting in the system. Like you need to create accounts, you need to create ledgers in the system. If you are working on QuickBooks Zero or maybe in web app, then you need to prepare all the transaction in a perfect manner in the system, and it is a time taking definitely. And then you can create a financial statement like profit and loss account. Then it will help in the tax return. When you filing the tax return, then you definitely you need to prepare the schedule C. You need expenses and incomes, then you will get the net profit. So once you have done the process of recording, I'm talking about the bookkeeping in a perfect manner according to the accounting rule, then you can easily prepare the financial statements, and it will help in the tax filing. So what I'm talking about, basically you need to spend too much time when you are receiving a transaction tracker from your clients, and your clients are providing you the transaction in a rough manner, not in a perfect manner, because they don't know the rules of accounting. Then you need to work, or maybe your accountant will work on the sheet all the transaction, and he will spend too much time on the transactions. Because you have a lot of clients, if you will spend 6 or 5 hours in the accounting, in the bookkeeping, because bookkeeping is not a part of business where you are generating revenue, because it is a process of operation, it is a process of production. You are not generating the revenue. You are generating the revenue because you are preparing the tax return and the financial statement, not for uh, bookkeeping, because bookkeeping is not a high revenue generated process, but it is a time taking process. So here I am providing with the services. Here I am giving the outsourcing services for bookkeeping. So what you need to do, you just contact with us as per the below description, which I mentioned my email ID and my phone number also. So you can connect with me, and we will sign a contract as per your given deadline or whatever your privacy policy. So we will sign a contract for taking the whole project of outsourcing, taking the whole project of bookkeeping. Okay, So here I am giving you the services for recording all the transaction in your system on behalf of your accountant. Okay, and you don't need to spend too much money also, because it is a time taking process. Definitely it is a time taking process. So money is directly proportional to time. So in the low cost you will get the services from my side, but definitely I need to spend too much time, the same time I will spend which you spend there, but your cost is reducing. For example, if you hired someone, an accountant, like accountant, and he is preparing the bookkeeping part and record and keeping record all the transaction into the system for your client, for your client's transaction. Okay, and then he will prepare the financial statements. So definitely your accountant will spend 6 hours or maybe 3 hours on a single client in a day, and you will pay them, or maybe you will pay like for example like $20 per hour or maybe $25 per hour, and he is spending too much time, like 4 hours. So you are spending $100 in a day on bookkeeping. Okay, so in that case I am giving you the best services only on $5 per hour. That means I will spend 4 hours and you need to pay us approx $20, right? 20 to 20 to $22 approx in a day. So here you can save $80, right? So this is a part for CPA. If you are a CPA, so you can outsource, you can take my outsourcing services and you can save your cost. And the second thing I'm talking about for business owner, if you are a business owner, if you are going to set up a new business, or maybe if you're having a business, so definitely you are selling something like services or maybe in the product. So definitely you have some working capital, you have some capital, and you need to you also need to keep record all the transaction I'm talking about, the expenses part and the income part. So income part where you generating the revenue, and where you getting some miscellaneous expenses like utility expenses, insurance expenses, gas expenses, or whatever it is. There are a lot of expenses. So I will prepare all the expenses according to the accounting rule in a systematic manner in your system, and then the same access you will provide to your CPA. Then you don't need to pay extra money to your CPA. You can save the part of accounting part. You can save the accounting part when you will take services. You can save the accounting part. uh, for example, if I'm giving you the services and I will charge you maybe $25 per day, or maybe $25 per day approx, I'm talking about approx 20 or to $25, then you don't need to pay to your CPA. In other case, you are giving all the transaction and yeah, transaction I'm talking about expenses and income to your CPA, and your CPA is charging to you like $200 or maybe $250 or whatever it is. So in that case you can save your this part, accounting part. Just you need, I will prepare the financial statement, and he will download easily from the system all the financial statements. Okay, and he can easily prepare the tax return. So in that case you can save your time. Okay, so these two things I shared with you. I hope you understand what I'm talking here. If you have any concern, if you have any doubt how to sign a contract, and how I will give you the services, what is the deadline, and what is the accuracy, so don't worry about it. I have already 4 years experience with US accounting. So yes, so you can take my services, and I will give you the best from my side, and my team is also here. So don't worry about it. And the privacy policy, the confidentiality, and non-disclosure agreement, we will prepare each and everything, and we will sign on a single page. Okay, so don't worry about it. And if you have any question and any query, any concern, just check the below description. I mentioned each and everything in the below description. And thank you for watching this video, and we will connect soon in the next video. I will create how to record, how we will work on the software, like I'm talking about bookkeeping into the system like QuickBooks, Zero and Weber. So let's wait for the next video, and after that I will create a next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand. Thank you.